Ace, where are we going?
We're going to the airport.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's drive-thru.
Ah, yes, mag-ready ng bills.
I got one.
Wait lang. Smile ka muna.
Thank you.
Sit ka muna.
This one. My nose.
Okay. Oh. Hold mo muna to. Ang tapong dyan, ha? There. Okay. Go.
Dali, let's go. Rose. Here, Ace. Look at the camera. Look. There, get inside there. Here.
Tada! Uy! You're wearing Papa's hat.
Yeah. Look, mommy.
Yeah, you wait. Oh, wow. You like to be there?
My My voice moved. My hair, Bob's hat.
You wear.
My hair.
Thank you.
It's just mommy.
Where?
Dude,
Mommy.
mommy.
Thank you. Magkano ito ba? 30 pesos?
Small gummy bears.
Saan gummy bears?
There's a small one.
This one?
Yes, small.
You want that?
Small is gummy. Small gummy. Mom, small gummy. Small.
Hindi po dyan yung pinagkano.
Kasi,
Hello po.
may booking ako dito, kuya.
Ah, may book. Anong pangalan ng sa book?
Shannon de Guzman.
Hello. Hello.
Ano, cabin or pokon?
Cocoon.
Ilan po sila?
Dalawa kaming matanda, adult, tapos isang bata.
Okay. Sir, lakaan ko lang.
Sige po.
Sir, tuloy po kayo sa aquaria.
Aquarium po.
Registration po.
Okay po. Thank you po.
Sir,
Ay boss, saan po parking? Parking po.
Bali, jacket po kayo ng security po doon. Sa kaliwa po.
Okay po. Magkano kayo parking?
Tsaka ito po ba, sir?
Apo.
Kunin yung mga gamit ko sa...
Ay hindi.
Okay, sir.
Okay na po.
Nalok mo yun.
Okay.
Saan yung restaurant ko dito, kuya?
Ma'am, bali dito po, sa paglabas po dyan po yung si Captain Barbosa sa left side po dito. Then
Ay,
sa
marami
kabilang,
kayong restaurant? Maraming restaurant.
bali dalawa ma'am, yung extra na dalawang kainan po is yung food truck, then Tasamiya Coffee Shop po, then Captain Barbosa at The Sands po. Yung Filipino cuisine po ma'am, yung The Sands po. Then Western food po is yung Barbosa po. Ito po malapit po paglabas nyo po dito. Diyan po is una yung pong manis yung Captain Barbosa po tsaka Tasamiya Coffee Shop. Sa pinakadulo naman po is yung The Sands po.
Yes.
My way here?
Yes, we're here.
Oh, those dolphins. Oh, if we just destroy.
Answer ma'am, dito po tayo.
Let's go. One. One.
Number 20 po.
20.
Ayos yun, kuya. Ito.
Ito. CR, then yung shower room po.
Ay, ito. May sandali.
Mama, sandcastle.
Dito. Ano ginagawa? Hindi ko maingat yun.
Mamaya please wala naman po din siya mga. Bali, ma'am sir, bali ito po yung ating wristband, bali ito po yung key. Then yung logo po ni Kukuns, top lang na sa sensor. Once natulog po siya, okay na po.
Pag sinarado yun sa loob, auto lock na.
Auto lock ma'am.
Saan pa tayo? Sa bawah.
Ma'am, bali po tayo po na po siya. Power na lang po every time na tayo is lalabas, may pupuntahan po. Then, ingatan po natin para hindi po tayo ma-charge.
Okay po.
Magkano
Thank
pag
you.
nawala?
300 ma'am. So, ma'am sir, bali yung switch natin na lights, nandito lang naman po. Then, twin bed po tayo. Sa likod ng pillow, nandun naman po yung blanket natin. Then, here po is meron po tayong setup coffee, toiletries, dental kit, then 2 remotes for the TV and signal, 1 for the aircon po. Then, dito naman po is meron po tayong mga safety deposit. Yan sir. Toiletries, then laundry bag, slippers, tissue po. Then, ma'am, nandito yung complimentary water po. Then, if ever kailangan natin ng guest assistance, magpapahatid sundo po, meron naman po tayong
Wala
intercom.
kang menu dito for
Wala.
service. Ikaw.
Tatawag po ma'am, nandito po ang number po. Ito sa Lipapiti.
I want the sasso.
You wait, you wait,
This one stands so.
you
My
wait.
son. Hey. Hey, Jet. Jet,
What?
mine.
Sandcastle? Okay. You try it? Wow. You want to play
Run,
now?
get it.
Thank you.
Run, get.
Okay na po na. Thank you po.
Tawag na nga siya kung
My
kailangan
get
po.
it. My get that.
Later na later. Hey, get inside first.
Close the door.
Close the door, ano? Open the lights.
Dali, close the door. Open the light. There. Whoa!
Halika, change ko muna ito.
Whoa!
What's this? Why?
Malo, so
But it's like a moon. Man, it's just like a moon.
yeah.
Wow, you're playing na. What are playing?
Sandcastle.
Mas mahal ba yung 21? Ba't parang mas maganda yung 20? Mas malaki.
Ano parang ramen mo Japanese fusion? Dati mga food truck. Oh, hey, sis, take a food.
Ah! That's one. That one is there.
Mamaya video kita dyan. Drone.
Ito din ko.
Go to mommy guys.
Lalagyan na lang ba? Sit ka dyan with mommy. Ay, dyan ka na lang. Bitin ba?
Siya.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you. Ay, akin mo. Saan yung sun action? Hindi ko makakita.
Thank you.
May pwede mo okay? You wait for your watermelon shake. I bought watermelon shake for you. Don't like it?
No.
Dali.
Try the guy. I want more.
Kaya talaga ang aura. Ayun.
Oh. Face. What?
Ano, mami ha? Mami ha? Ano mo yung talag ko pa?
One more.
Take the one.
Thank you, kuya.
Sige po.
Dito.
Ito po.
Basta pen.
20 po.
Thank you.
Get inside.
Mom, I will check. And it's too dark.
Okay, so what are you doing?
I just went sandcastle.
You make sandcastle.
What a butter, miss? Butter.
Ate, pengen po ketchup. Thank you po.
Yeah, that's yours. I know, that's yours.
I want egg. I want egg.